directions. You know, it's looking so clean right now. Car's looking structurally like What's going on, guys, and welcome to another video of Mudstick. Yes, we're going to wash this filthy abandoned Volvo. This car has never been washed, I don't know how long, but it's going to be the first wash. Just give you a bit of insight how the car is looking right now. It's looking pretty filthy everywhere, in all directions. It's completely abandoned. Everywhere I film, it's just got a lot of green moss everywhere. If you guys can see that. It's completely messed up. So we're not going to waste any more time. I'm going to give this a snow foam, scrub it, jet wash it, and just see if the car looks any better. This is how the Volvo's looking, and now we're gonna scrub it now. Putting on the Maguire's products now. Made in Germany. Doing the Maguire's all-wheel cleaner now. This car is looking completely different. What a transformation this is. We'll give them about 5-10 minutes, wait for them to do its business, then we're going to work on the engine bay now. That is looking so bad. What's that? Here she is after the clean. This is the next day right now, because we just had to park it after the clean, but you know, it's looking so clean right now compared to how it used to look. It's such a big difference. You can actually see the car properly now. Now there are some bits that didn't come out like amazing, because you can see, like, I don't know if you can see the GoPro video, but there's like a bit of like a, I can't describe it to you, like a grease all over the car. So obviously it's gonna need clay bar cleaning across the whole car, another few washes, and probably most importantly is like a buffering the whole car out. But we don't want to do that yet. But at the moment it's just looking absolutely clean. Before we do get to the deeper clean, we do want to sort this wing out right here. Just the most important bit is just how the car is looking right now. It's just looking like a completely different car. So again, the way the car is looking structurally, like there's no rust anywhere around the top mounts anywhere, like even the bolts as well. It's looking so clean, the car is. But we did what we could do with the engine bay, how it's looking, tried to detail as much as we can. But you know, it is what it is. I'm like stoked about this, how it's looking, because the car's got no scratches. It's pretty clean. you know, for a car that's made in 1989, 1988, 1989, you know, anywhere, but it's just flawless how it's looking. Start her up, first time start. Watch this. Nice and easy, no struggle. I do want to get the inside cleaned as well, because the inside's looking pretty decent as well. So we managed to open the boot lid. Looks like a puddle of water here. I don't know how long this has been there for, but it stinks. That's all the jack that's on the car. It's been there for so long. I'll wipe down and clean and see if we can make this look any better. You guys will never believe this. So we just open this, right? Check this out. Bang. We found a home. A nice mattress made out of tissue. It's clearly the mice from Mouse Hunt made himself a bed. So anyways, see you guys in the next video. Peace out. May the Almighty bless each and every one of you and your whole family. See you guys in the next video. Peace.